What's up YouTube, Creative Boy J19 here, and this is my homemade balisong, or as you guys know, a butterfly knife. Now this knife is made out of cardboard. As you can see, it's more of like the cereal type cardstock cardboard, and popsicle sticks. These are the straw of a Sunny D, and these are just Q-tips. And that's basically what the whole thing is made out of. But to be honest, this thing works really well. I will be showing you guys some tricks soon. But yeah, this is basically the whole blade. And to be honest, I really like it. If you guys like it, just leave it in the comments. Let me know what you guys think of it. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some tricks. Alright guys, got my knife here. Works very well. I really like it, to be honest. But this is just the basic opening. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but then close it, open it again, close. But this right here is the Zen rollover. I'm gonna close with it. I'll show you guys that one again. Gotta hold it like that. Swing it over, rolls through your thumb, and then you just let this handle go. Comes right over. I catch it right here. It clacks right here, and then I just swing it back. And then full speed. Alright, then you got another opening. It's like this. If you want to hold it in the where you're gonna go stab something, you gotta hold it normal, just that, and then close, then roll over. Yep. But that again was out, in, back, catch it like that, and then just let it swing. That's my favorite move, is unroll over. So yeah guys, that's basically my balisong, and I'll show you guys some pictures. Yeah, hope you guys like it. On with the pictures.